The weekly code quiz. Last week we learned that one of the options of display is none. When display is set to none, you will hide an element. What other property can be used to hide an element? The visibility property. What are the values for the visibility element? The values for visibility are hidden and visible. Hidden will hide an element, while visible will show an element. What is the difference between visibility and display? The difference between visibility and display is that a space is left where the element would have been. If you prefer a blank space not to appear, you should use display none. With both display and visibility, the user can still see hidden content by viewing the source code in the browser. Here we have the code. The HTML is at the top and our two CSS options are below. We have added a class attribute to our third list element in our navigation and called it coming soon. So to target this element, we need to use the period and the name, li.coming-soon. Adding the li means it will only target list elements with that class. In the first option, we are using visibility hidden, while in the second option, we are using display none. In this next image, we see that visibility hidden causes the third list element in our navigation, services, to no longer be displayed. However, there is a space where a button would be. In contrast, when we use display none, the third list element is skipped and no placeholder space is left. Presented by Designers Learn Code.